The civil service program is the most advanced program for the preparation of today's civil services examination. This program is based on the Government of India's role-based civil service framework. The core objective of this program is to enable students to achieve their desired success or success with a high rank in the civil services examination in 1 year of preparation so that good students can be attracted to the civil service. This means this program will enhance students' performance by enabling them to achieve above 50% marks, means 60 to 70% marks in the examination easily, reducing their time and effort, minimizing their struggle and suffering in achieving their desired success. Today's civil services examination is conducted within a role-based civil service framework. It is a time of role-based civil service. The Government of India has adopted a role-based system in place of rule-based system to transform its civil service or to build a high-performing civil service to meet the challenges of the 21st century and rapid economic development needs. The role-based approach has impacted various civil service human resource functions such as recruitment, training, placement, promotion, and performance management. At the recruitment stage, the role-based approach emphasizes selecting candidates for the civil service who have real world understanding or depth of understanding of the real world, well developed higher order skills, positive attitude or right attitude and values. These qualities and competencies are crucial for civil servant to work or be productive in today's complex, challenging and unpredictable environment. And also these qualities and competencies are fundamental to imparting professional skills and competencies for the civil service through training. Therefore, UPSC is improving its recruitment or selection process and increasing the complexity and unpredictability of the civil services examination to emphasize testing candidates these qualities and competencies to select the best suited candidates for today's role-based civil service. These qualities and competencies are beyond book and content knowledge such as concept, facts, theories, ideas and information, and the ability to recall or reproduce. Book and content knowledge are as good as foundational or background knowledge. While these qualities and competencies determine the ability and dispositions to work and be productive in today's complex, challenging and unpredictable world. Higher order skills are core intellectual competencies. These skills result from a person's sound intellectual traits and are recognized as leading 21st century skills. These skills are crucial for working or thriving in today's ever-evolving complex world and for the development of a person's real-world understanding. Therefore, National Education Policy 2020 emphasizes developing and assessing students' higher order skills from the beginning. And also in the ongoing AI revolution, higher order skills are of paramount importance to thrive and survive in today's world, while book and content knowledge has lost their significance. Therefore, today's civil services examination increasingly emphasizes testing candidates' real world understanding or depth of understanding of the real world and higher order skills to select the best suited candidates for the civil service. Book and content knowledge has a limited or less role in today's civil services examination, and that is the reason when students' preparation is focused on book and content knowledge, they face difficulty in getting 40 to 50% marks even after years of preparation and hard work. On the other hand, when students focus on developing their real world understanding and higher order skills, they will be able to achieve above 50% marks, that is 60 to 70% marks easily in today's civil services examination within 1 year of preparation. Therefore, to achieve outstanding performance or desired success in today's civil services examination, students should focus on gaining relevant and high quality knowledge as background or foundational knowledge and focus on developing their real world understanding, higher order skills and right attitude and values. The civil service program is the most advanced program to provide relevant and high quality knowledge and developing these qualities and competencies most effectively and efficiently. This program is grounded on three key principles of high performance and makes use of advanced AI to provide transformative learning experience to the students. The three key factors of high performance are strategic approach, the science of learning and modern learning practices, and the ability to sustain attention. A strategic approach ensures the result in a highly competitive environment. While planning is best to complete academic work or personal tasks, strategic approach relies on the actual requirements of the examination and the actual competition level faced by the candidates in the exam. Therefore, it avoids all unnecessary tasks from the preparation to bring the highest level of precision in your preparation. The science of learning explains how we learn. Knowing how we learn is crucial for fast and effective learning and the development of advanced cognitive abilities of the brain, that is higher order skills. The learning practices that are based on the science of learning are called the best practices or modern learning practices, such as active and engaging lectures, critical reading framework, learning by doing, formative assessment, and discussion and asking questions. These practices are highly effective in gaining new knowledge and real world understanding and support the development of students' higher order skills. The world renowned universities such as MIT, Harvard, Oxford, etc., use these modern learning practices to provide their students with real world understanding and actionable learning. On the other hand, traditional learning methods or practices such as passive lectures and reading, multiple revisions, massed practice or repeated practices, etc., are less effective in gaining new knowledge and real world understanding. The traditional learning practices are not effective for the development of students' higher order skills. Rather, they adversely affect the development of these skills. Focus or concentration is the deciding factor for performance or success. It is a factor that differentiates a low performer from a high performer. Therefore, many advice and techniques are used or are popular among students to increase or enhance focus or concentration, such as avoiding distraction, lifestyle changes, motivational talks, speeches, and videos, etc. However, these methods are very less effective to increase or enhance focus or concentration. Focus or concentration is a function of the brain. Our brain follows reward and imperative pathways to focus or concentrate on any work. This program activates the reward and imperative pathway of the brain by strengthening students' capabilities to anticipate the result. Consequently, their ability to focus or concentrate on their preparation is increased or enhanced manifold to actualize their results. This program makes use of an advanced and highly capable AI instructor to provide a personalized and high quality learning environment. It is the most unique feature of this program. It helps students to solve their doubt instantly or immediately and keep their learning and development at pace. Our AI instructor is a fully guided and highly customized virtual AI brain. It is free from all human biases, limitations, and emotions. It has a high quality and broad knowledge base that enables it to respond or answer qualitatively better than any mentor or an individual. Therefore, after successfully completing this program, students will be able to qualify prelims examination easily. In the prelims exam, the selected response items or questions are used for the primary assessment of candidates and it is mentioned in the question paper itself. See instruction number 4. Here it is written that each item comprises 4 responses or answers. You will select the response which you want to mark on the answer sheet. These response items or questions are higher order questions and cannot be solved by mere knowledge. These questions are designed to test candidates' relevant knowledge and higher order skills, mainly critical thinking and strategic thinking skills. In the prelims exam, many irrelevant and vague information, facts, statements, etc. are deliberately included in the questions as obstacle to make it more challenging for candidates to choose the correct answer, and many a time some questions are made very difficult and time taking. This increases the complexity and unpredictability of the preliminary examination. Candidates who have well developed higher order skills, mainly critical thinking and strategic thinking skills, can easily solve these questions correctly with their same level of knowledge. They do not need to know these irrelevant and vague information, facts and statements to solve these questions. Similarly, in the main written examination, students will be able to construct high quality answers or responses to all the questions and get a very high marks in it. In the main written examination, the nature of most questions is higher order questions based on real world complex issues and problems. These questions may appear simple but are quite challenging to answer. Many a time question papers are made lengthy and unexpected to put students in unforeseen and challenging situations. Candidates cannot construct high quality responses, means relevant, succinct and meaningful answers to these questions by book and content knowledge, pre-structured format, introduction, body, conclusion, and their ability to recall or reproduce, such as answer writing skills. These do not help students to construct high quality responses to the questions. Real world understanding or the depth of understanding of the real world and higher order skills enable students to construct high quality responses to all the questions in the examination to achieve high marks. Similarly, after completing this program, students will be able to answer all the questions confidently and effectively in the interview test, enabling them to achieve high marks. Therefore, to achieve the desired success or success with a high rank in today's civil services examination within 1 year of preparation, join the most advanced program, the Civil Service Program. This program is created and developed by an expert committee, presented by instructors, and is supported by advanced AI. This program is available on the ptsx.org. It is an advanced online learning platform. The fee for the program is a nominal charge, and the EWS, SC, ST, OBC students are provided with effective fee exemption, keeping in mind the larger purpose of ensuring the accessibility of the program to all students without the barrier of cost or location. This program will be completed in 1 year and the validity of the program will be 2 years for all students. To get more detail about the civil service program, visit the ptsx.org website. Thank you.